Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and verifying essentials so nothing stalls you later. Insert the Jazz SIM, enter the PIN when prompted, and make sure your data plan is active because connectivity depends on it. Plug the supplied charger and power on the unit. Wait for the LED to show a stable signal so you know the radio is registered. Once done, note the default SSID and password printed on the sticker. You will need them to join devices and to log into the admin panel. You now log into the router to make it reliable and secure. Connect a laptop or phone to the default SSID, open 192, 168, 1, 1, and sign in with the sticker credentials. This gives you full control. Change the SSID and set a strong password, and choose WPA2 or WPA3 encryption so unauthorized users can't join. Next, confirm the Jazz APN settings and preferred frequency band, and check for firmware updates. These steps improve speed, stability, and security simultaneously. You finish by connecting your devices and confirming the connection quality. Join each phone, laptop, and smart device to the newly named SSID using the new password, then load a web page to verify internet access. Run a speed test to compare against expected performance and check several devices to ensure consistent throughput. If everything is fine, document credentials and optional MAC filters for added control. If you hit trouble, reboot the device and recheck signal strength before deeper troubleshooting. Often a restart clears registration hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.